In this video, I'm going to show you how to add work in Behance. Now, if you've been on your Behance profile, and of course you went up top and clicked on Behance profile, you'll notice that over here there's a work section. And as you can see, I do have some work in here, but if you wonder how to actually add work, it's super simple. So let me guide you through step by step. You want to go to Share Work up top, and you want to hover over it and click on Project. You could do Service as well, of course, but we're going to do Project right now. And then from over here, what we're going to do here is, of course, upload in whatever. So we could add text, image, photo grids, videos, etc. I'm just going to go with an image right now. I'm going to click on over here, and I'm just going to choose this image over here and click on Open. Now, whenever you do this, wait for the media to load, and there we go. We have your work over here. This could be whatever. If you want to attach any assets like files, like fonts, photos, zips, templates, or like free or paid downloads, you can attach them over here, and then click on the Continue button over here. Now, whenever you do this, you have to give it a name. So I'm going to name this one Sample, or let's just do Tutorial like this. You have to give it a tag. I'm going to give it a tag of an animal like this. Then you have to select your category. For me, it's going to be graphic design. Hit OK. And then, of course, you can select the tools that you use, the visibility, additional details like descriptions, copyright and licensing, etc., and the team as well, in case there's any co-owners and stuff like that. Then click on Publish over here. Now, you may have to put on the cover image over here as well. So if it's not here by default, click on over here, and you're going to be able to do it. So I'm going to make this a bit bigger like that. There we go. And I'm going to click on the crop. Now, here I'm going to click on Publish. You could also save it as draft. I'm going to publish it, so it goes into the Work tab. And whenever that's done, you get a check mark, and you can go to the top right, again, hover over it to basically view your Behance profile. And in here under Work, you can now see your new thing that you uploaded via the Share Work project button. So that's how to add work. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.